Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Oh, you can leave that door open, that's why it clamps.
Oh, okay. Just wondering, it's louder?
Yeah, it's louder on your side, it's way louder. Yeah, so it's two of the SP4 Plus.
What's going on, everyone? I hope you enjoyed the quick little walk around we got of Mike's system. Quick little commentary. I'm going to tell you everything in the system, and then we're going to get to the base demo. Recommend checking out the previous video, link in the description if you want to know more about this system, as well as all the details the owner tells me. So go ahead, if you haven't already, comment, let him know what you think about his system. This was at the TDH Team Deadly Hertz show in Virginia of 2021, getting to upload it. He has a really nice amplifier view and lots of room to work with, so he didn't have to worry about any vibration issues. So he has Sundown SEV 7500 at half ohm on two Fi SP4 V2 Plus 15s on that Synergy 4-channel amplifier, as well as the Rockford 300.4 amplifier. And he has DS18 speakers and tweeters, as well. Oh, sorry, PRV for the tweeters, 240 amp alternator, 160 amp hours of Yinglong lithium you were seeing there. Really nice epoxy glass coated subwoofer box. It is a 6th order, so it has two tunings. The back port is tuned in the 20 hertz range. He says he plays in the mid 20s all the way into the upper 40s really well. And then the upper front port that you see there is tuned to 40 hertz. So he did a really good job. Shout out to you, Mike. I really enjoyed the bass demo. He's going to be playing 2 songs for us. So go ahead, if you haven't already, once again, give him a like. 2-song bass demo we're about to get to. Really good bandwidth. He actually plays better with the door open. I was surprised. Seemed a lot of Bandpass enclosures like to play with one door open, but it varies by the system. Consider subscribing if you haven't already for more daily cardio videos, and enjoy the demo.
Let's do this song another round. 26 of the 39, it really looks like mid-20s.
Really good bandwidth. And it doesn't even move. Good job.
There was a sunroof up here, but I blocked it with like a bunch of wood. So I think
Awesome. Appreciate it, man. Thank you.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at SkyHigh Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.